South Australia is near to being free from coronavirus, as only 2 residents remain unwell. The state's top doctor warns the biggest threat now comes from those crossing the border.
We have made it, South Australia.
2 weeks and 14 reasons to celebrate. South Australia marking its longest run without a new coronavirus infection since the outbreak began. The state's total number of cases stands at 438, but only 2 people are currently unwell.
I'm really very pleased to be able to announce that, and it does put us in a very good position when we're looking at the very important process of lifting and making those adjustments to the restrictions.
Some restrictions will ease from Monday. Health officials say allowing more people at funerals and regional travel are their top priorities. But it will be some time before the state border reopens to prevent a second wave of infections.
Since the South Australian borders have closed, we've had almost 28,000 people still entering our state, and that's one of the areas that we're spending a lot of time thinking about from a SAPOL and a health perspective.
Although South Australia's outcome is positive, officials are keeping a close eye on a new cluster in Victoria. The state's top doctor says it's unlikely South Australia has recorded its last COVID-19 case.
There is still, as I said, COVID-19 in the rest of the world, and there are still cases in Australia. And we will see from time to time, and I want people to know that we are likely to see some more cases in South Australia. But what I'd like people to also know is that we have a system in place, a very strong public health system that we've certainly increased over the last 2 months.
Emily Burley, Sky News, Adelaide.